Hey everyone, welcome back to All About It. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of one of the most popular houseplants out there, the spider plant. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your green journey, you're going to love learning about this resilient, beautiful, and super easy to care for plant. So grab a cup of tea and let's get into it. First up, what exactly is a spider plant? Scientifically known as Chlorophytum comosum, this plant gets its name from its long, arching leaves and their spider-like baby plants or spiderets that dangle from the mother plant, resembling spiders on a web. Native to South Africa, spider plants have become a household staple around the world, and for a good reason. Why are spider plants so popular? Well, here are a few reasons. They're low maintenance, they're almost impossible to kill. They are air purifiers. NASA studies show they help clean indoor air of toxins like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. Their graceful arching leaves and baby spiderets add a lively touch to any space. Now let's talk about caring for your spider plant so it can thrive. Light. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. They can tolerate lower light but may grow more slowly. During summer, water more frequently. In winter, reduce watering. Soil. Well-draining potting mix. Think a mix designed for houseplants. Temperature. Keep away from cold drafts. Average household humidity works fine, but they love a little mist now and then. One of the coolest things about spider plants is how easy they are to propagate. Wait until your spideret develops roots. Cut the spideret close to the mother plant. Place it in water or directly into soil. 4. Keep moist and wait for roots to establish. Common problems and solutions. Even the best plants can face hiccups. Here are some common issues. Brown tips, usually caused by over-fertilizing or dry air. Solution, trim tips and adjust watering. Dropping leaves. This might mean underwatering or too much direct sun. Pests. Watch out for spider mites or mealybugs. A gentle wipe with soapy water usually does the trick. Did you know spider plants are named for their spider-like runners, but they're also called airplane plants because of their sprawling flighty growth? They can live for decades with proper care. They're non-toxic to pets, making them a safe choice for furry friends. And that's a quick tour of the wonderful world of spider plants. If you loved learning about these charming plants, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more plant tips, and share your own spider plant stories in the comments below. Remember, with just a little care, your spider plant will keep growing, purifying, and beautifying your space for years to come. Thanks for watching and happy planting.